Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne had this to say. He says that he will never beg. Guys, he's talking about the situation with Miss T and the Plankas. Now, guys, if you want to hear more and know what he's talking about, you have to go and catch the video. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, have yourselves a happy, happy birthday. And I wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, prosperity throughout this your beautiful year. And for all my other lovelies and supporters out there, I just want to say have a beautiful day as well. And remember to live good, laugh, and always keep a positive energy. And if you can put a smile on someone else's faces today, then guess what? You're given a bonus. Now, if you watch the video to the end, or even if you don't watch the video to the end, there's always more videos that you are able to go and check out. Check out all the videos now and have yourselves a wonderful day.
If you don't want them win, make them win. Sometime in a life, you have to have a loser and you have to have winners. You have to have winners and you have to have losers. Capitalize on what lady's situation? Listen, I don't care what none of... Listen, me not care what them say. I don't care. I swear to God, these people, them can come as hard as a damn rock. I don't care. I'm going to stand firm like the rock of Gibraltar. Like exactly my own stance. When me believe in her. You understand? And bear in mind, I'm going to tell you, all of you, never did I ask for this. I never once could have fathomed this could have happened. I swear to God, I did not. I just didn't. I never expected this. But what do I want me to be not true to myself? Come butter it up for people. I can't and I will not. I can't and I will not. Them can butter it up if they want to. They can. They can butter it up if they want to. I refuse to. I won't. I just won't, and I can't, and I will not. Anything I said in the past, that, oh, planks, we are one. We're not unlucky. We're not one. We're not the same. Me and Ono, we can plank people. Me and Ono, we cannot be the same. I am one of a kind. I'm similar to nobody. Me tell you a long time, if you don't want, if you don't want, if you don't come and I beg. Me now beg not one of you to come to my place. Not one of you. I will never beg. I will never, listen, you see me? Me tell you, it's my mother. That's the only human being in my heart I owe any kind of obligation out here. All of you in the live right now, I don't know you. Where was any of you when I was going for my shit? None of you was there. The only people I saw were my family, my mother, my sister, my brother, my brothers, plural, my aunts, and my cousins. Those are the only people I say, my nieces and my nephews. I never saw none of you. You understand? So when am I going to come on, oh, planks, we're not united. We are not united. Because if we are not on this, if we are not on the same wavelength, why the hell should I stand united with things I don't believe in or stand for? I just can't. And I will not. I can't and I will not. I won't support bullshit. I can't support bullshit. I can't. Someone come on my phone, come threatening me for this woman. Okay, you're threatening away. Your threats actually means nothing to me. It means nothing to me. It don't. On the God I love, it don't mean nothing to me. It don't. And then you have someone who want to come on my post, but I'm gonna post a screenshot of what the pastor come on my phone come say. Like, go and sit down, leave me alone. And if me say, I'ma hold it to the day I die. and I don't care. When I could have some obsessed till God comes. Speak, say that. Anything I want to say, okay, okay. I'm still standing firm for what I believe in. I am. Dwayne, those are the only people you need in your life. Everyone else is, I right, exactly, secondary, right, exactly, Carol. I could have not said it any better. I could have not, and I will not. One thing I will never be, I will never be a wagonist. I can't be a wagonist because of clout, because of social media money. I can't, and I will not. Those of you who choose to be wagonists for clout and money, do so at your own leisure. Do so at your own leisure. I can't force any of you, and I will not force any of you. I'm not gonna force nobody to believe when we believe. So they can stay there. When they're not coming to come good here, when they're not coming to come good. And when they're gonna blog about me, you blog damn good too. Blog damn good. Because if the so not pat me down the line or tell sometimes in life people go up and down, up, down. It's like a damn roller coaster. We're all on a roller coaster right now. And that's fine by me. That's just fine by me. It's fine. If you want to say she's the person is good, fine by me too. I'm gonna say they're not good. Only can't take my opinion from you. You can't. The same way I can't take your opinion from you. And I will not take your opinion from you. So why should any of you want to come to my page, come push your notion or your narrative down my throat? Who made you people chief justices or chief judges of social media? Listen, I'm going to tell you, you are allowed to hold what you hold. And I'm going to hold what I hold. Right? I'm glad how some of you are somewhat making the most out of my content I did earlier. And yes, listen, you see, anytime I speak about where I'm coming from, I'm always gonna get emotional. Always. I am always gonna get emotional. And it's nothing I can do about it. Especially when I go deep, I'm always gonna get emotional. And to see what people have done to me, knowing damn well the things I was enduring, it shows me the world we live in is actually a cruel place, very evil, very wicked. Well, this world we live in is cruel and wicked. Most of these people on here, evil too, evil beyond measure. If you know what I'm saying, it doesn't sit well with you. It's not. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the other people. Wicked. Listen, I'm going to tell people to each his or her own. You hear me? To each his or her own. And one thing I'm not going to do is come out here and bully people or harass anyone. You know, I will never understand how are people trying to take your own opinions away from you or take your own perception of people away from you. How is that remotely possible? Don't we all live in democratic societies? Do we live in countries where it's one order, where everyone has to think the same? And even so, in countries where it is a one order for everyone have a free. They have the right to think how they want to think. Right? Let's take China for example. Don't people in China have their own like mindset to think what they want to think, even if the government is a one order thing? All right, there we go. So I live in a democratic society, which means I should have the right to voice my opinion freely and do so without any form of hindrance. And I don't see why people want to come at me because of my stance. Why come at me? I'm not coming at any of you. I don't come at none of you. I don't. Maybe in the beginning when I thought people were good, I used to come at people. But I've stopped that now. So what's your issue? What is the real issue here? I'm going to say that person, I swear to God I love, on the God I love, that person should go to prison. But they may just, I don't know. 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 I'm hoping they'll go to prison though. I hope they will. For everything bad they've done. I know they want to come to people here and brag, oh, the person's elevating while we're stagnant. Okay, let me stay stagnant. Let me stay stagnant. Let me stay where I am. Let me water in my own shit. Let me do so. Let me do it at my own the same. Leave me be. Let me water in my own shit. I'm my shit for while I know. Let them continue to elevate. Let them elevate while I waller over here. No, and I say, let them elevate while let me waller until I'm done. Until I'm actually okay. I'm enough of this. I'm done now. Leave me be. I will never change my perception. I won't. And I want to tell you people, I did not ask for this. I did not. It happened. Spare of the moment type thing. It happened on its own. This was not forced. This was not a plot. This was not a scheme. This happened because it was meant to happen. You know, in life, if things are not meant to happen, right, it just wouldn't. But that time when those things happened, it was meant to happen then. So why are people trying to shut that down and trying to shut down my argument? Like, no, I'm not buying that. I'm not buying it. I will not. And I cannot. This is why the world we live in, it will never change, because we tolerate too much bullshit. We tolerate way too much bad behavior, and we tolerate way too much evil towards each other and wickedness. Don't you guys see? Some of you have no conscience. Some of you have no conscience. And this goes for the planks. A lot of you have no conscience. You don't. You'll have to throw words out in the atmosphere like obsessed and you know, a collective of other words. Like, what the hell are you talking about? When I was giving my money freely, I wasn't obsessed then. I was a good person then, right? Okay, great. I'm still the same person now. Just that my eyes are truly open. And that's it. Nothing, that's just it. That's just it. Am I going in any one of Donegal's supporters' phone and threaten them? Shit. Am I going in Donegal's phone and threaten her? Am I? No. You know why? Because I was not brought up like that. I was not brought up in that manner. Now, Faono, you wasn't brought up, you was dragged up. Yes, my mouth can be very filthy. However, I would never once come in any of your phones and threaten, even when Donegal was having beef with people, Tina Chin, Maxine, whoever. I've never once entered any of their DMs and sent derogative messages. Never. Ever. Anything I have to say, I say it on the comments in Planker Shop. That's what I used to do. So how dare any of you? You see, you people are, I call a lot of you hoodlums, ghetto rats. You don't, when you know better, you do better. And clearly a lot of you don't know better, because the way you was brought up, you you was brought up in perhaps in like a ghetto mentality type shit. That's not my thing. Never will be either. Yes, I'm gonna tell him again, cuss you, but that's still not my thing. And it will never be my thing either. So I don't want to chill out. I don't want to chill the hell out too. And stop going to people's phone and threaten them on behalf of people. You know, I swear to God I feel to like call somewhere in the UK, some kind of institution and put in my reports. You know, Kennedy made a comment today and said, Dwayne, why don't you report whatever? But who would I go to? Would I go to the Charity Commission? I don't know. And bear in mind, I never give this woman, I never once gave her the money in her name. Who would I go to? Kennedy, I don't know if you see this live stream, but if you do, listen, if you're in the UK, like just give me some like steer me in the right direction. Because if I have to, I promise you, I'm a vulnerable UK citizen. I'm vulnerable. If you don't know what vulnerable means, I'm vulnerable. Look at me good. Look at me good. I'm a vulnerable citizen of this country. This country protects people like me. And if I feel scammed, trust me, they'll take whatever I have to say in consideration. And I know in my heart, I feel scammed. I feel scammed. And nothing anyone says to me going to change my perception. I feel like I was duped. I feel like I was deceived. I feel like I was manipulated with deceptive stories and plots and schemes. I do. This is how I feel. I know I was. I know, Styles. I know. Who would I go to? Who would I make these reports to? You know, I'm gonna call a lawyer office tomorrow and ask them how to go about this. I swear to God I love, on the God I love. On the God I love, I will not let this rest. I swear to God. Even if it was 5 years ago, I won't make it rest. Now I have info in my possession. Now I have information in my possession. Now I have admission in my possession. Are you crazy? Why the hell should I let it go? I can't, and I will not. I will not. I will not. You wait till Monday. You people wait till Monday. I want to hear about it. Wait till Monday. I promise on the God I love. Monday morning, 9 o'clock, I'm going to make 2 phone calls to like a lawyer firm and find out how do I go about this. Because I know in my heart I was scammed. I know in my heart I was scammed. And if they need videographic evidence, I'm telling you, I have a lot of things in my phone. I do. Tuesday, on Monday's holiday. Is Monday gonna be bank holiday? May. I think it's May Day. Is it May Day? Oh, yeah. Okay. May. Oh yeah. May Day. Okay, I get it. Okay, cool. Listen, Tuesday morning, Brighton, me call, I make 2, I swear to God, I make 2 phone call. Because I know I have things in my phone. I have things in my phone that will back up my claims.